How to search with Google AI Mode. First, open the Google app on your Android phone. On the home screen, tap AI Mode. You can also search for something normally and then tap AI Mode in the search results. Now enter your question in the Ask Anything box. Instead of using a short keyword, try asking a complete question. For example, you can type, "What is the best budget phone for gaming?" and compare the top 3 options. Google AI Mode will break your question into different searches and combine information from multiple web sources to provide a detailed answer. You can also ask follow-up questions without starting a new search. Just continue typing in the Ask Anything box. You can even search using your voice or an image. Tap the microphone to speak, or tap Google Lens to upload or take a photo. For example, you could upload a picture of a product and ask, "What is this, and how does it work?" That's it. This is how you can search with Google AI Mode and get more powerful AI-assisted results. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more Google AI and Android tutorials.